Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals as soon as they reach the lot. Also, if you want to look at any of the still pictures of the specific unit or a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. This is a brand new 2020 four-door Jeep Wrangler Rubicon edition with a bunch of the bells and whistles on it. On the front, this does have the upgraded LED front headlights, which is a super nice feature when traveling at night. The nice stout looking front bumper with fog lights built into each side. And of course, you can't forget, you know, with the Rubicon, you're definitely going to get that really nice tire and rim. It's a 17-inch Jeep factory rim wrapped in a BF Goodwrench, really nice all-terrain tire. This particular unit does have painted flares, which is an option from the manufacturer on the Rubicons. And this particular Jeep also does have a painted three-piece hardtop, which is an option on the Rubicons as well. On the back of the Jeep, you're going to notice you do have your fifth wheel and tire, and you're also going to have your built-in backup camera located right there. This particular Jeep does have the trailer tow package on it, which is going to give you your trailer tow hitch, along with your 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup located right there. With this Jeep, it's going to have a really good fuel economy. You're definitely going to get probably 24 miles per gallon. And this is the 3.6 liter in this particular Jeep, which is the V6 motor. It's been around since 2011. It's definitely a good motor. It's been tried and tested throughout the years, and definitely no problems along with that particular motor. Starting on the driver's door, we're going to have our power mirrors right here, along with our power locks located right there. This particular Jeep does have the optional upgraded front and rear floor mats. They are rubber material, so they're definitely easy to clean. Along with the LED lights, you are going to get the auto feature, where you simply leave it on the auto feature and you are good to go with your lighting. Leather seating with a nice red stitching throughout, with the Rubicon badging on the back, front and passenger seating. On the driver's steering wheel, you're going to have all your controls on the left-hand side right here for your instrument cluster, located in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge here in the center. It's going to show you a bunch of different options there. Like right now, it's set on miles per hour. You can put on what radio station your current radio's on, your trip, miles till empty, which would be your range. It'll also show your PSI per tire, which is a nice feature, and a couple other options built right in there. It's a really nice instrument cluster right there with a bunch of different stuff in there. It also has hands-free located right here. Program your phone directly into the specific unit. You simply hit the green button to answer the phone and the red button to end the call, and you have the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your cruise control settings, and then on the back right hand side, you're going to have your volume setting for your radio, and then on the left hand side on the back, you have the option of changing your channel right from your steering wheel. Very nice large touchscreen radio with AM, FM, also XM radio, Sirius XM radio, I'm sorry, and this does come with a free subscription when buying this vehicle brand new. It's also equipped with access to put media into your radio. Does have a dual climate control system that can be operated in 2 different spots. This is the first one. Right now I have the temperature set on 82, and it's actually on auto feature. So once the cabin gets to 82 degrees, it'll simply decrease the amount of airflow coming out of the vents and keep it at that nice 82 degrees. Or if the passenger wanted to be a little warmer, I set that on high. It's still on auto. The passenger side will get warmer by blowing more air out and hotter air out upon the passenger side than the driver's side. If you want to go back to syncing them together, you simply hit sync and you're back to 82 degrees. Bunch of apps that are built into the App Store right there. This does have nice climate control features, not climate controls, but heated seats and a heated steering wheel. The 2 front heated seats do have a high, medium, and low feature, and also the heated steering wheel is located right there. It also does have the backup camera like we did talk about outside. And like I said, you can pair your phone with a specific unit. The second spot where you can operate your climate controls is right here in the centerpiece. You simply turn the speed up and also change your temperature right here. You do have heated steering wheel and heated seats buttons located right there also for the driver, and then the passenger over here. Radio controls are on the outside. It does have auto start stop feature where you simply pull up to a red light with your foot on the brake. The motor may shut off. If it does, everything in the cab will work as normal. And as soon as you take your foot off the brake, the motor will re-engage and you'll be back driving again. Very nice feature when it comes to fuel economy. Does have hill descent, 12-volt charging port, power windows right here, along with all your media access that you would need right there. It also has 4 auxiliary switches that come along with that trailer tow group. Really nice when you're installing aftermarket, whether it could be lighting and a bunch of other different things that you could add obviously to it. Cup holders located right here. Nice center console with armrest with dual compartments. There's a shallow one right there. Then there's a deeper one right there with another USB plug built right in there. Another really nice feature this has universal garage door openers. Simply program your garage door opener into one of these 3 spots, up to 3 different garage doors. You simply push the button, you no longer have to carry around them garage door openers anymore. Onto this 3-piece hardtop. The reason it's called a 3-piece hardtop is because the driver's side and the passenger side up front do come out individually. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so you could take them out and just leave them 2 out if you just want a little breeze, a little wind in your hair, and not take off the back section. Really nice feature when you're by yourself, since they only do weigh about 20 pounds. Simply just a couple clips, and then you can pop it right out and throw it in the bag or in your garage. Like I said, it does have the nice rubber floor mats throughout, as you can see there. The rear seating does match the front with a nice center cup holder with armrest. This particular vehicle does have USB plugs and an AC plug located right in between the 2 rear side seats. And this particular Jeep does have side hookups for your car seats. So if you do have little ones, you can safely hook their car seats directly into the rear seats. Plenty of storage in the rear, as you can see there, with a 12-volt DC charger located in the back right there. That center, this plastic bag right here does have a nice foam bag inside. What that is for is if you do take off them front 2 pieces of that 3-piece hardtop, simply put them in the bag when it folds out, and it'll lay flat right here on the floorboard, so it's out of your way, and you can still use the back for storage if you need to. And again, this is a brand new 4-door Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, 3.6 liter V6, mid-20s on fuel economy, 4-wheel drive, 3-piece painted hardtop, painted flares, LED lighting throughout, heated front seats. Just got all kinds of bells and whistles in this thing. This Jeep is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you want to see this particular Jeep and all the still pictures, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new videos as soon as they arrive at the dealership.